Hey everybody, so here I'm sitting in the Hyundai and I'm going to give you another update and I'm going to let you know what my plans are for this car. So as you saw earlier in the video, Hyundai's absolutely not going to do anything for me. So at this point, I can't keep going on without having a car. Um, in the state of New Jersey right now, motor vehicle division is closed, so I can't even go out and buy a beater. What I would have to do is I would have to go to a dealership. I'd have to bend over and buy something at a ridiculously high price, just to get it registered and titled. Because right now, with the motor vehicle division being closed, I can't go anywhere to even transfer plates. I can't title a car. I can't do anything with any other car other than what I currently have or one that I buy at a dealership. So, plans for the car. I pulled it around back here. I parked it where I'm going to be working on it. I'm going to start tearing into the engine, right? Worst case scenario, the engine's bad anyway. So if it's bad, I'm going to confirm that it's bad. Basically, I'm going to end up doing what Hyundai would have charged me a ridiculous amount of money to do. So I'm going to drop the oil pan. I'm going to take the oil pump out. I'm going to take the rod caps off. I'm going to take the bearings out. I'm going to take a look at those and see how bad that is. I'm going to take a look and see how bad, hopefully the crank isn't that scored. If it's just some debris on it, we should be able to use some like 400 grit sandpaper, work up to like 600, 800 to polish the journals. And hopefully if that's good, and I can polish them well enough and they're really not that badly scored, I might just be able to put this back together with, a couple bucks, like under $100. I should be able to buy all four bearings, which I'll do all four. I'm not just going to skimp out and do one. If I find that one's bad, I'm not going to just do that one. So I'm going to do all four. I'm going to clear it out. I'm going to take those VVT solenoids out. I'm going to clean the screens on those. I'm going to drop oil down the holes in there to try and flush out anything that's in there and get it down into the pan. And we'll see what happens. Hopefully this is going to, at least prolong it a little bit so we can, determine what we really want to do after everything reopens. Because today is the 21st of April. The state website said that they were going to be reopening on the 26th of April. However, the governor also said that like schools and things like that, the state houses, they're not reopening until May 15th. So I would almost guarantee that the motor vehicle is not going to be opening again, which, I'm going to look at another month of not having a car. So I got to be able to do something, even if worst case scenario, it just gets the car functional for now. My wife is using my car, and I could use this just for a little kick around for now until I can actually either A, get a decent engine replacement, or B, figure out other options. So that's pretty much where I stand with this. So keep an eye on the videos, because I'm definitely going to be making videos on this. It's going to be a couple part series. Where I'm going to definitely show you every step of the way what I'm doing. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because that's how you're going to get those notifications to see that, whenever I have a new video, you'll be able to see what's coming out first. What I also have too is I have another car. It's not mine. I'm borrowing the car right now. So there's going to be some more videos coming across with that car. There's one person that's watching this that knows what it is. Actually, two people. So if you want to know what that is, give me a like, subscribe, and check out the videos when they come out. But I'll definitely have some more videos for you before the end of the week. So keep an eye on the videos, and like I said, hit that subscribe button and you'll see what happens with this car. All right, until then, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Enjoy yourselves.